This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power is off and the unit is accessible. Safety first. Remove hoses or cords and shift the appliance to give yourself 3 feet of clear space. Once exposed, locate the stacking kit brackets at the rear and top edges. You'll unfasten fasteners in the next steps. Keep bolts and small parts in a labeled container so you don't lose anything, and make sure your tools are within arm's reach before you begin removing the first screws. You now steady the upper appliance with one hand or a helper while you remove the top bracket bolts. Do not let the unit shift. Once the top bracket is off, work across to the side brackets and remove their screws, keeping tension so the stacked piece doesn't slide. After offloading each fastener, separate the spacer pieces and gently lift the upper unit free, transitioning it to a stable surface. Make sure to check for hidden clips or grounding straps and release them before fully separating the units. You finish by returning any base feet and trim you removed and lowering the upper unit back to a safe, standalone position. Once reassembled, plug in and run a short test cycle while watching for unusual vibration or movement. This confirms everything is seated correctly. If you notice wobble or noise, immediately power down, recheck bracket mating surfaces and rubber isolators, and tighten or replace worn parts. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Vibration usually means a missing spacer or compressed isolator. Swap or shim as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.